Goods and service tax and its impact on the ITES and the e-commerce sector. Uh, to say the least, it's going to be extremely interesting and exciting as well. If you look at the present set of issues that the ITES faces, and the main among them is the dual taxation of VAT on software, right? VAT and service tax on software. The industry has been grappling with it, and there is a dual taxation. This is likely to get subsumed. Both the VAT and the service tax, etc., are likely to get subsumed into the GST, and therefore it's going to be a large relief for this sector going into GST regime. On the e-commerce side, we have seen issues where there is an attempt by the state governments to levy VAT on the sales that are made by the sellers on the e-commerce platform, which creates a significant business predicament for all these companies. You also have state governments levying entry taxes when the goods come in from states outside other states, which creates another restricts the free movement of goods from one state to another. In GST, well, these issues are likely to get resolved to a large extent, but the bad news is that there will be newer issues that these companies in these sectors will have to deal with. And again, as an example, when one talks about supply, the question really is not what is supply, but what is not supply, and the definition is so expansive. The significant compliance framework that is imposed on companies, and the compliances and the registrations are all administered not centrally as being done today, but at the state level, going forward. And take this one issue of tax collection at source by the e-commerce marketplace companies, which have to do. That is also a significant, a business has a significant, serious implication on business in making that compliance to carry out their business. So we'll have to wait and watch if all the representations that are being currently made by the various stakeholders will be addressed by the government.